Yaki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong. Ka 3 Olives Restaurant. Bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P. Hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating. Ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom. Ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong. Balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating. Balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Manish Chatrath ubalong unong yalam jong ka All India Congress Committee ubapet ye ka Jlep Meghalaya ulakam baha ka jingwan yu kajat jong syakani ka Jlep ulayo jingtip Paidbah bakila Jlep hishon ye ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka National People's Party halor ka jingbamla banwanra ye ki kampen roy bat ikilat thaukam thaujam Paidbah nong song snong jong ka Jlep Meghalaya hakini ki arsnem tam Nado bakalayo bat ya ulakam sansyar hapo ke Jlep Meghalaya. Haka jingye keren bat kilat pathai kubor. Hadin ka jingye kendo ya kinong terekam jong keseng kongres. Kabalalong ha kongres bhawan Shillong. Manish Chatrath ula kenthok ting ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Halor ka jingbamla ban pun orlong yala ka kular. Bala klay na kabenta ka thungkam ka thungjam ye kinong song snong jong ke Jlep.
As I mentioned yesterday also, our team in Meghalaya is doing a good job, and especially I congratulate our president, both the working presidents, CLP leaders, all MLAs, frontal heads, their team members for doing a wonderful job in last 10 months during COVID. The way they have served the people of this state, it was really well appreciated, and I thank them for that. And in near future also I'll be visiting state more often. See, the assessment, one mood what I have received from most of the leaders is that the present government, people are fed up. People are fed up because what all was promised has not been fulfilled by the government of the day. So the mood is changing. Congress, as I rightly mentioned, in the last 10 months, the way we have worked in the state during COVID, I don't think any other political party or any other organization has worked. So Congress has been with the people in the state, very close to them, especially when they required them. Because they are not able to fulfill their promises. You see the jobs. How many jobs are lying vacant? How many people have been given the jobs? There are so many issues. Illegal coal mining. So there are a lot of issues which they had promised when they came to power, and it has not been fulfilled. So it is for the people to decide. It is for the people to decide, and people will decide through elections only. And we are quite confident. We are quite confident the state is waiting for a change.